Lesson 7.1, Find Part of a Group. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss how we can find a fractional part of a group. So let's go ahead and get started. In this particular problem, we want to find 4/5 of 20. So when I'm looking at this, 20 is actually my total. And 4/5 is the fractional part that I want to look for. One way that we do this is by creating a model. And so when we're creating a model, you want to take a look at your denominator. Your denominator tells you how many groups that you want. So in this case, I want 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what I want to do is I want to evenly divide 20 into these 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now that I have done that, I want to take a look at my numerator. And my numerator tells me I want to section off 4 of these groups. And so I'm going to draw a rectangle around these 4 circles. To find my answer, I then need to count how many pieces I have in each of these circles. Well, if I have 4 in here, and 4 in here, 4 in here, 4 in here, my answer is going to be 12. Let's go ahead and take a look at another question. Actually, I'm going to need to move this. All right. Max's stamp collections has stamps from different countries. He has 12 stamps from Canada. Of those 12, 2/3 of them have pictures of Queen Elizabeth II. How many stamps have the Queen on them? And so since this is a word problem, I want to get out my highlighter and look at my key information. So I see that his total is 12. There are 12 stamps in his collection from Canada. Of those 12, 2/3 of them have pictures of the Queen. And our question wants to know how many stamps have the Queen on them. So I'm going to do the same example or same strategy that I used before. My total is 12, but I want to take a look at my denominator. So let's rewrite this fraction or set up my question. All right. My denominator tells me how many groups. So in this case, I'm going to use an array. And so I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. I want to get a total of 12. So I already have 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that I have 12 here, I want to take a look at my numerator. And I want to box off 2 of the lines. And I'm going across. So now I have 4 here, I have 4 here, and so the total stamps with the Queen on them are going to be 8. What I want you to do now is open up your math notebook to a brand new page, and we're going to do a practice problem in there. And so in this problem, we have 2/3, and I'm going to multiply that by 18. So 18 is my total, and I want to find 2/3 of that total. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is take a look at my denominator. And since I see that the number's 3, I'm going to set up 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Next, I want to look at my total. And that's what I'm going to use to split up among 3 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now that I have divided that up, I'm going to take a look at my numerator. And I want to box off 2 of those groups since that's the number in my numerator. And if I add this, I have 6 in this one and 6 in this one. So my answer will be 12. I want you to copy down this example exactly the way you see it in your math notebook. When you're ready, continue to hit play. Okay, your second problem that you're going to copy down is 2/5 times 15. And I want you to go ahead and attempt this on your own. And when you are ready, continue to hit play. Okay, so the first thing you should be looking at is your denominator. So that's step 1. And this tells me I need to draw 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 2 is looking at our total. There's 15, so I need to divide that equally among the 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then step 3 is looking at our numerator, and that tells us how many we want to box off. And I'm going to count what's inside. So I have 3 plus 3 equals 6. And so my answer is 6. Once you have this copied down, continue to hit play. Alright, finally you have a test prep question for today. I want you to copy it down. I want to see your keywords and information highlighted. I want to see you set up your equation, and I want you to solve using a model. Once you have this done, continue to hit play. Alright, your essential question. You're going to copy down the essential question. How can you find a fractional part of a group? Using the methods that we have discussed in this video, I want you to summarize how you would do this. I look forward to discussing this with you in groups.